Hi, my name is Agus Shakir Abani. I am from class 38 Informatic Engineering. So guys, 2 weeks ago, exactly on Friday 13th December of 2024, I followed the PKKMB at my faculty, and the location was at the foothills of Anjungan Mountain, Mempawah. The first time I heard that the location was in Anjungan, I thought, what's so beautiful about the place? I thought it was just an ordinary village. We were divided then we were then, then we were divided into groups for outbound activities and assigned promenades. To cut the story short, we departed by bus from our university at 7 o'clock in the morning, and we arrived there at 10 o'clock. When we got there, I felt so amazed. Why? Because the village where our PKKMB was held was located in such a beautiful foothill area. Okay, we stayed there for 3 days. On the first day, we attended many lectures from our professors in the meeting hall. The first day, I felt a bit boring because we just sat on the floor and listened to many lectures. But I keep my enthusiasm alive, remembering that all of these lectures were for our future. On the second day, we were woken up by the commit at 1 a.m. to participate in Jurit Malam that had been prepared by the commit. The activities were very exciting. We were told to follow a route and given challenges at each post. Afterward, we gathered at the mosque for night prayers until Fajr time. After Fajr, we received a lecture from our Ustad. After that, we were allowed to rest for a while, and we were woken up at 8 o'clock to go and gather firewood for a bonfire in the evening. Fast forward to 11 o'clock, we were told to rest again in preparation for the outbound activities. At 1 o'clock in the afternoon, after lunch and we get a lot of rest, we gather again in the fields for the outbound activities. Here's the fun began. We had to walk around the hill, facing challenges. At each post we reached, we were required to stay united as a team, even though we didn't know each other very well. However, as time passed and we overcome all the obstacles together, we slowly began to get to know each other better. It was one of the most precious moments of my life. After the outbound activities, we cleaned up and took a break before continuing with the evening activities. After dinner and after the clean up, we gathered again in the field around the campfire. The night was quiet and peaceful. All lights were turned off and we were asked to light the candles we had. That night, we also recited a pledge and oath as part of becoming members of the engineering faculty's big family at our university. The event that night were festive and fun. On the next day, exactly on Sunday morning, we had breakfast together in the meeting hall and get prepared to return to Pontianak City. Before we left, all the commit members and participants gathered in the hall. We shared our stories with each other, got to know each other better, and forgave one another between the commit and the participants. There was a feeling of sadness but also happiness surrounding us. I almost forgot to mention my roommates. They were very funny, cool, and fun. I'm glad I met them. So, this is my unforgettable moment in my life. I'm sorry if my story is boring. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.